Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. Today in this video, we will learn how we can search the theme of any WordPress website. Here you can see this is the WordPress website that I designed for my client. And you can see here I designed it on WordPress using different plugins and theme. So I will show you how we can detect its theme. If you want to search it, your competitor's website, you can simply search that URL and you can find which theme he is using or which plugins he is using so that you can design your website similar to your competitor website. So first of all, we have to search for scan WP and hit the enter button. Here you can see scanwp.net website is available. So I will simply open this website so that I can search any website URL and can find which theme he is using. So here you can see it is asking for a website URL. I will simply copy this URL and I will paste it here and hit the detect button. After detecting a pop-up will open. I don't need this pop-up, so I will close it. It can take a few moments to detect the WordPress theme so that the theme can be visible. Now you can see website is built with Astra. You can see it give the name of the theme that the website is using, that is Astra. And it also telling us that what is the hosting provider, that is Bluehost. And you can see the SEM rush rank and its value. Then organic keyword, it also tell about organic keyword, organic traffic, AdWords keyword, and then AdWord traffic. It also tells about the price of the theme. Here you can see the price for the theme is $59 and store is extra. If you want to purchase this theme, simple you can click on this link. And it is also provide the information about the author, that is brainstorm force, and it also provides the description about the theme. Similarly, if you also want to search what plugins are your competitor is using, so you simply have to search WP theme detector and hit the enter button. You can see the wpthemedetector.com. You have to open this website and opening this simple paste the URL of the website of which you want to know the theme or you want to know the plugin that he is using. Simply pasted the URL of the website so that I can find which theme and plugins he is using for his website. So after the processing, you can see Astra is available and it also gives the option for download the theme. It also gives the for premium theme. If you click on it, you can redirect to their official website to buy its premium theme. After that, scrolling down, you can see that it is also telling the provider name of theme, that is Brainstorm Force, and it also tells us about the plugins that the website is using, that are eight plugins: Elementor Header Footer, Elementor Page Builder, Elementor Pro, Element Kit Lite, Essential Add-ons, Yoast SEO, and other. I already use these plugins on my client website. That's why this website is showing these plugins here so that we can design our website similar to our competitor website. So this was the tutorial that we can easily find which theme is used by a website on WordPress or which plugins are used on that website. So for more videos and information, stay connected with me. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.